Hello everyone, this is Joseph. Today I'm going to share with you questions 9 and 10 from the MATH PSLE 2020 paper 2. This is a strategy that I am always adopting. It is super important to annotate each question. From annotating, we are able to sieve out the clues, the hints, to help us to identify the suitable concepts, heuristics to apply to solve the question. Now, these are the two questions that I'm going to do today. Questions 9 and 10. Let's start off doing question 9. Question 9 is a geometry question involving angles within a rhombus. So, we all know that in a rhombus, it has 4 equal sides. Okay, I'm going to mark only these 3 sides because the line DC has an E there. So I will not mark the line DEC. I will just stick to the line AD, AB, and BC. Now, looking at the rhombus has 2 identical isosceles triangles. Okay, all right. So meaning we can find this angle here, which is part A. So angle ABD is equals to 180 subtract 106 divided by 2. 180 degrees minus 106 degrees, the difference divided by 2, help us to get 37 degrees. A is done. Now, I'm going to move on to part B. Now, part B is to find angle GCB. Now, GCB is here. This angle here. Okay? Now, this angle is also easily found because it is also part of, it's also very related to the isosceles triangle here, highlighted in light blue. Now, we all know very well that within a rhombus, the internal opposite angles should be the same. So this angle is 106 degrees. Meaning, angle GCB is already found by taking 180 degrees subtract 106 degrees. That will give us 74 degrees using the property sum of angles on a straight line. So B is also done. Part C. To find angle EFB, which is this angle over here, which I have marking now. Alright, this angle over here. We need to use the triangle over here. I'm going to indicate using yellow. This triangle over here. Okay? Alright? Now, let's find out what is this. Because this one, the purple one, together with angle EFB, they form a straight line. So the purple one, angle DFE, can be found rather easily. Why did I say so? This is actually also 37 degrees from the rhombus property. And then if you are aware of exterior angle equals to the sum of two interior angles property, if this is 54 and this is 37, we have already found what is this angle. Okay, one more time. We can find angle DFE using the exterior angle property. So angle DFE E is equals to the exterior angle 54, subtract the interior angle 37. That gives us 17 degrees. This is 17. And 17 shares the same straight line DFG with angle EFB. So angle EFB should be 180 degrees minus 17 degrees, which is 163 degrees, using the property sum of angles on a straight line. So part C is done. In fact, question 9 is not difficult. Let's move on to question 10. Now, question 10 is on bar graph. We have a bar graph for shop A and a bar graph for shop B, and they are selling files of 4 different colors. Okay, now let's look at bar graph shop A. The one that is in blue, we know that there are 150 files sold, blue files. The one that is in green, okay, I shall put the 150 up there. Okay, so let me rewrite. So this is 150 for the blue ones. For the green one is 175, and for the red one, 25. Now, the one that is in yellow has a question mark. Okay, let's read part A to find out more. Half of the files sold by shop A were yellow files. This is half. If yellow is half, then blue, green, and red must be the other half. This is half. This is half. They make one whole. Okay, so let's find out what is the total files which are blue, green, and red. So blue plus green plus red is 150 plus 175 plus 25. That gives us 350. If 350 is half of the files sold by shop A and yellow is the other half, then yellow files sold by shop A should also be 350. So part A is done. Now, part B. Which colors or color of files did shop A sell more than B? So now we have to do comparison. Okay, let's look at the bar graph for shop B. Blue, 125. Green, 175. Red, 200. Yellow, 75. Now we want to know which color or colors did shop A sell more. Shop A must sell more. So comparing the individual colors, we know that blue is more for shop A. Green, they are the same. For red, shop B is more. And for yellow, shop A is more. So to do part B, we have already gotten the answer. It is blue and yellow. Done. Now let's move on to part C. Now for part C, we are including the month February. The bar graph actually shows us the month in January. Okay, so we're going to move on to February. Now what did they say? In February, shop B sold 105 more blue files than the number of blue files sold in January. Okay, so let's talk about shop B only. and we need the color blue. So the blue found in short B is 125. Okay, and this is for the month of January because it's directly from the graph. Directly from the graph is for the month of January. What about the blue found for the month of February? It should be more. It should be 105 more. So you take 125, add 105. So the blue found sold in February should be 230. So this two information is easily done. Okay, easily obtained. Okay, part C. What was the percentage increase in the number of blue files sold by shop B from January to February? So from January to February, the increase is simply 105. So this will be the numerator, 105. And the denominator has to be the base, which is January. And let's turn this into a percentage. So if you use your calculator, key in this 105 out of 125 times 100%, we will get 84%, meaning question C is done. We have actually completed the worked solutions for question 9 and 10. In my coming videos, I'm going to be sharing with you my suggested solutions for questions 11 all the way to 17. Feel free to revisit my video if you want to have a better understanding, a clearer understanding of how the two questions are solved. If you like my today's video, do give me a thumbs up. Share with anyone who is interested to know more. Okay? And most important, subscribe to my channel. Then you will know when new videos are being posted. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your strong support. This is Joseph, signing off. You take care. See you again. Goodbye.